let's get our little windows situated. If you want to know how we made this candy, I made a video showing just how to do it. So what we're going to do is bring this over here. I'm going to hold the parchment paper down with some spoons. So I'll try to roll away on us. Put that over there. And just kind of drip it on there. And just kind of give it like a border. So it has room to kind of go around it. There we go. It's being a little bit stubborn. Oh no. You kind of can smooth it out with your spoon. Oh my. Extra sticky. So how I made these window things was I went to the house and just drew out the little lines on it, on there, flipped it over so we don't get markers on it. And there you go. We're going to let this sit with the rest of our candy. That is super sticky. Oh no. Windows are trying to join. Okay, so this is what you want to look like once you put it all on there. I kind of have flattened out a little bit because I keep having it like turn like little threads on me. So we're just going to let that set to the side and sit. Okay, we finally got our pieces cooled down and we got them all trimmed up. So what we got is our windows, which we made. Some pretzels for the roof. I personally want to use some cream cheese because I don't want my walls to be like super flat. I want to go for more like a stucco look because I'm making a tavern, and some creamy chocolate for my wood. And then we got some royal icing, which in one of my other videos I show how to make. Super yummy. Look how glassy it is. And some tips. Okay, so first thing first, I'm going to get one of our bags ready. Well, let's see. Okay, we'll move this over here. I'm going to do the roof last. I want to go ahead and focus on our walls. And the first thing we're going to do is get our royal icing bag ready. You just plop it in like that and just kind of do. So you can't quite get, because the air bubble right there, try to get as close as you can and kind of try to guesstimate. Now you got the air out, you can kind of push a bit more. Oh, still not quite enough room, so we're going to push that down a little bit. Just keep trying. It's better to just like do it too close here than to just do it too big and then your bag bursts. That makes all your stuff come out and you have to start all over again. See, nope, got to back up a little bit more. Trust me, this is better. There we go. You want enough room to where that is completely able to do its thing. This is a number 352 tip. It's kind of like a leaf pattern, but I want this for the royal icing so it can help kind of just get a good bit of it. I don't use spoons. I just scoop it with my hand like that. And then I roll it back up. Like that. And you're just going to squeeze it out. It's always good to kind of like burp the bag, like kind of just make sure you squeeze it into it. And just make sure there's no air bubbles. Okay? So what we're going to do is kind of line up our little houses with our windows. So we see how that kind of fits. So we're going to do an outline their icing. Like that. Then we're going to put our houses back over it. Kind of gently, because you don't want to break your cookie. So this one's got a little crack on it. Go like that. And if you get a little bit of icing on the glass, that's just frost on the window. Okay. It's a little sticky. There we go. And just kind of push it on it. Look at that. Window. Oh, it is cute. Okay, so now we're going to decorate. I'm going to hold it because I'm scared of that sticky part kind of going back down. So I'm going to use my cream cheese. Oh. I'm not going to use a bag for this one. I'm just going to get a wet knife because it helps it slide. Just kind of like that. I'm going for old... No! We'll do the window in a minute. We'll fix that in a second. We'll go ahead and just get this part. There we go. Just kind of even it out with that. I'm just going for an old tavern kind of look. I'm not going for perfect. If you wanted to look perfect, you could like add a little bit of water to the royal icing and just kind of like drip it on there. Oh. And there we go. And just kind of go like little swirls, little, there we go. Whoop, whoop. And you also can use this flat side of the knife to kind of flatten it out. And there we go. Okay. We'll fix the window when we're ready, just about to put it back on there. So we're going to fast forward a second to when I just finished icing the rest of these walls. Okay, so now we got all our walls painted. We're going to add our little wooden beams. Because I want this one to be kind of like a thatch house. In a minute we're going to start adding our little roofs. But first let's just get our walls done, re-add our windows, and get them on there. So you're just going to, oh, and this is a number 3 tip. It's really small and it's good for little details. I'm using a creamy chocolate because I want it to like not hurt my hand to squeeze it. So there's like a main beam. I'm going to have another one kind of meet there. It's going to have another one kind of go down. And the trick is not to squeeze too hard. You don't want to mash it. You just want a little bit to kind of cup your palm and put the rest up here and twist. And you just want to give it constant, even pressure. Let's see. I'm going to add another little beam. Another little support beam. We're going to crisscross these. There we go. How historically accurate does this look, Tyler?
Pretty good.
Okay. I'm going to put some there. It's kind of like however you want to do it. If you just want to put like wooden beams everywhere, you can, or if you don't have to. But another thing I want to focus on is our little windows. Go ahead and make sure. Let's see. Technically, I had this one be the bottom, so I want to be a little bit closer to the floor, so that way the roof wouldn't like overhang it. So we're going to go ahead and draw a little window box. Just like that. And just keep overlapping. There you go. And you just kind of gently like keep going like that to kind of even it out. And it's a little window box. Yay! We'll do the same thing on this one. Again, we'll just blend it. Just keep squeezing as you do it. Okay. If you want to add little shutters, you can. You can use different colors. It's just all about you. I'm just going for more this type of look. You can also do like little V's to kind of do your little support beams. I'm just going to go like that. There's nothing wrong with overgoing the same thing. And I'm going to have this one be my door. I'm going to go like that. And I'm just going to do little lines going down. There we go. And we're just going to put like a little doorknob. Yay! Just put some random wood here and some random wood there. Okay, now we're ready to try to assemble it. Gonna set our roof over here. Okay. Go ahead and add the icing to the bottom. There we go. Edible cement. Just gonna firmly press that down. Go ahead and ice this. And then I'm gonna add this side. Let's see. Don't let it fall. Okay, so while I'm holding that, I'm gonna redo our window so we can add our second wall. I'm gonna take it off the paper. Okay, stick it on there. I'm gonna go back here and just add a little bit more to the edges of it, just to kind of super glue it. Okay. Now I'm going to add this wall. Ice the bottom. Ice the side. This is like the most extreme game of Gingerbread. Okay, and what you want to do is, oopsie. There we go. How to redo that is just kind of add more to it right here. You can touch that up later, make it pretty. There we go. It's going to get a little smear, but it's easier to go ahead and decorate and then attach it than to try to decorate it. Okay, all I've done is pre-ice the walls, and now I'm going to add my back wall. I'm going to slightly touch that part. And just connect. Okay, I'm just going to hold that for a little bit and then we'll come back to the last wall. Okay, now I've done the same thing to this window like I showed you a minute ago. And I'm going to add the last one. There we go. Our little walls. Oopsie. This stuff is like edible cement. Oh no. Oh no. So just while it's sitting, I'm going to go ahead and just add some more in the corners. Just go ahead and start pre-gluing the tops for the roof. Now the roof I'm going to just go ahead and put on and then decorate. So I kind of can add some stability to this structure. Okay, so it's got a little bit of a thing. All we're going to do is add some pretzels and just kind of bridge the gap. Learn together, people. Learn together. Just going to get some more royal icing. And then just start putting it on top of our roof. If any drips off, you just can say it's little icicles. There we go. Oopsie. I picked the leaf tip so then it can kind of just have more structure to it, more texture, and just kind of diverge that icing. There we go. Almost done. And now it's thatch time. Sprinkles. If you have icing on your hands, it's okay. It'll just look like snow. Just do like a little overhang. And it's okay because we're gonna eat this, so it'll work out. Oh, isn't that cute? And what I'm gonna do about this is just add some icing. A lot of icing. A lot of icing. And bam. Bam. It's all about having fun, people. There we go. Happy little accents. There we go. I'm sure medieval people had roofs like this. That's how you know they party hard in this little tavern. Here we go. It's like a little skylight. Aw, there it goes. Okay, you get the gist. We'll fast forward till it's done. Okay, so all you've done is just add them all across, and I used some extra pretzels for like a little walkway. Okay, so now to kind of give it more of a snow look, we're just going to do a slight little clumps of snow, however much or little you want to put on here. And just kind of anchor down this end. And then just kind of add a little like that. And it just looks like snow dripping off. You definitely want to anchor it down first, so like this doesn't flip it off your little gingerbread house. And we're going to put some off this. Just put some across here. And we're not going to mess with that part. And we're going to put some here, and just kind of however much or little you want to use. It's your little gingerbread house. There we go. I think it's done. So I'm just going to slightly turn it, just kind of show you. You can like scrape this off if you want. If you don't want that frosted look, you kind of can just go like that. And you can see the candy underneath. Here's the back. And the other window. And here's our little window box. Yay! Well, it's been pretty fun. My first gingerbread house ever. So, thanks for watching. Bye!